able to be able to reach a healthcare provider with adequate specialization. In 2019, POGS became the host for the Asia-Oceania Federation of OBGYN, and commitments were made with the then Secretary of Department of Health so that we will be able to push further cervical cancer elimination program. There was fast tracking of all efforts towards that direction. We had a temporary sidelining with the COVID because we had it from 2020 to 2023, but we are now here at the present time wherein we could do more. And it's about time to do that because we wanted to find out what are our AFOG or other Asia-Pacific countries doing so that we will be able to see whether we are still aligned to that commitment or not. So during this time, a lot of efforts were done from this year towards rising up even during COVID in conducting webinar seminars. And we now are in this period wherein we need to do the 90-70-90 target. The Asia-Oceania Federation of OBGYN came in with the guidelines. These guidelines are now being adopted